Unlocking the phrase, refresh my memory. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very common but intriguing phrase, refresh my memory. Stick around as we explore its usage, origins, and how you can incorporate it into your daily English conversations to sound more like a native speaker. When someone says, refresh my memory, they're essentially asking for a reminder or clarification about something that they have forgotten or are not fully recalling at the moment. It's a polite way of saying, please remind me, or, I've forgotten. Could you tell me again? This phrase is especially useful in conversations where you're trying to recall specific details about past events, information, or discussions. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal settings, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. Here are a few scenarios where it might come in handy. In professional settings, when you're discussing previous meetings, decisions, or actions and you need clarification on certain points. In casual conversations, catching up with friends or family and asking for details about past events or discussions you might not fully remember. In academic contexts, when discussing previous lectures, assignments, or clarifications on study material with peers or instructors. Let's see how refresh my memory can be naturally incorporated into conversations with these examples. 1. In a meeting, could you refresh my memory on the outcomes of our last discussion regarding the project timeline? 2. During a family gathering, I know you mentioned it before, but could you refresh my memory about your trip to Spain? 3. In a classroom setting, Professor, could you refresh my memory on the key points of yesterday's lecture on environmental science? To use refresh my memory effectively, keep these tips in mind. Be specific. Try to provide some context to help the other person understand exactly what you're asking about. This makes it easier for them to give you the information you're looking for. Maintain politeness. Since you're asking someone to take the time to remind you of something, it's important to be polite. Adding a please can make your request sound more courteous. Listen carefully. Once someone is refreshing your memory, pay close attention. This shows respect for their effort and helps you remember the information better this time around. Refresh my memory is a wonderfully polite and useful phrase that can help you navigate conversations with ease, especially when you're trying to recall past discussions or information. We hope this video has refreshed your memory about how and when to use this phrase in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.